Hi, this is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I'm bringing you a quick bonus tip here. Seth asked a question on Facebook about setting up a situation where a room glass shower wall had been painted a color, and he couldn't get the walls he couldn't get the glass to show in the rendering. I'm going to paint this shower wall and show that I don't think this is what the situation is. When I open the glass, the wall dialog there, he said that his materials here for the wall are all set at default. So I don't think that's the case. What I'm guessing might be the case, let's close these, change that back to default. I'm going to open the room by clicking on either the floor or the ceiling and opening that. We can go to material, and if you go to walls here and change the wall, just change the wall material for the room to color bright. Notice all of the walls, including the glass wall, are selected as this bright white. If I open the glass wall again and go to materials, oh, interesting. If I change this to default, I wonder what happens. Default, click OK. And that changed back. Go back into my room specification and go to materials. Walls, no change. I wonder, Seth, if maybe did you start this in a previous version? This is a new situation for me. In the past versions, I don't know how far past, you would have to change the room specification, not the, but you're telling me that you're saying that when you open the wall and go to materials, both exterior and interior wall surfaces are set at default and one of the glass materials. So I don't know if that changes or not. I'm not sure. Let me know what you find when checking this. So I just, in the 3D view, I'm clicking on the ceiling or the floor. In the 2D view, I just double click in the room itself and go to materials. What I was talking about was right here under walls. Change that to default. And then if you want to go to color bright, and you select the room scope, everything that is drywall in this room will be changed bright, but the glass won't, since it's not glass. Mine won't. Yours probably would, because the glass already is that color. Hope that helps.